All right, guys, we got a 2012 Mercedes 250C, C250, right there. And I'm going to show you guys something, what we're going to do on it. Factory converter, factory resonator there, and then a factory muffler there, okay? So we're going to go back now. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave that converter on it, keep this pipe, keep this resonator on it, but then cut it right here where it comes single and put a Y pipe in its place, like this, so you guys know, okay? Right there. You're going to put a Y pipe, and then it'll run 2 pipes, one on each side, and then cut all this off, you know? After we put the Y pipe, we're going to cut it off, take all this off, and run duals on each side. And as you can see, they put a plastic shield here. It's empty on top. So we take it off. There's a few rivets in there. We're going to take them off, a few bolts. It's got the opening already. He got a aftermarket carbon fiber bumper, as you guys can see there and there. And we're just going to run duals out the back to give it that C63 look, okay? With dual tips. Here's the tips we're going to put on it too. Really nice, really clean tips. Right there. They're going to look good right there like that. They're going to be clean. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it too before we do it. All right, guys. So that C250. We showed you what we did before. Here we go. Still factory converter, factory resonator, one of them. Then, like I showed you guys, we put a Y pipe in its place of the second resonator and ran 2 pipes, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side there and right there. And then finished it off cleanly with these double-walled angle cut tips, quads, right there and right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So it gives it that AMG look, as you guys can see right there. There's the factory muffler that was on it. It comes into a, like, Y's out, back into the tip. And there's the midsection right there that we cut off. So that's all everything we cut off and replaced. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you like it. C250. Clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89, 90. It's not too loud. That's surprising. I thought it would have been louder. That sounds good though. Classy for this car. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.